What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl, the SESS, exploring all the finer things in life, and I am back with another video for y'all. Before I get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, your girl. Guys, I just want to start off by saying Happy New Year. It is 2022, honey. Like, wow, like we made it. So this year, 2022, I want to bring something new to my channel. Not really new, something that I've been doing, you know, for a very, very long time since I've been living on my own. One thing that I love, other than exploring, trying new things, eating at different restaurants, unboxing, shopping, all that stuff, is home decor, okay? I'm obsessed with buying things for my home, okay? Like, home decor is like one of my favorite things to do when I'm bored. And I strongly believe, like, just as much as we invest in ourselves, we need to invest in our home. A lot of us, like myself, get so caught up in shopping for ourselves, buying nice clothes, buying nice bags, etc., etc. But one thing that I don't play with is my home. You know, you want to go out there and you want to look your best, dress your best, drive a nice car, etc., etc. You got to make sure your house matches your style, honey. Just as much as you go out there and you look good, you want when people come into your house, their jaw is dropped, like, like, oh wow, beautiful. Like, I don't play that. Like, I have to make sure my house is top notch, just like how I like to be top notch from time to time. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I change my dresser knobs. You know those knobs that you hold to pull out your dresser drawers out of your dresser? I have this old dresser chest that I was gonna throw away because I was gonna buy a new one, and I'm just like, you know what, we try to save money here in 2022, honey. Like, we ain't trying to spend unnecessary money if we don't need to. So I decided that, you know what, I'm not gonna throw away the dresser. What I'm gonna do is just spice up a little bit by changing the old knobs with some new knobs. So to start, I want to show you guys this beautiful art piece that I got from HomeSense, one of my many HomeSense finds. I have a wall in my room that's bare, it has nothing on it. So of course we're gonna fill in that space with this nice, beautiful art piece that I found. I also found these hooks. They're from Michaels. They cost me around $2.50. They're really affordable. This is what I'm gonna be using to hang this art piece up on my wall. Look how pretty she is, guys. She's beautiful, she's gorgeous. I just love black art. Like, black art is my thing. Like, I adore black art. I'm always looking for people who are just artists that make black art. I'm obsessed. So moving along, I bought these cute knobs from HomeSense. They were around $16.99 each, okay? I bought 2 of them. This is my dresser with the original handles on it. So yeah, we're just gonna switch these old knobs with these new knobs. I'm just using a regular star screwdriver that I bought from the dollar store. Nothing big, no big fancy screwdriver, to just remove the old knobs and put on the new knobs. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Nothing too big, nothing too shabby. Just a little, make it a little different, spice it up. Like, I'm actually really like interested in just even changing the color of this dresser. Right about now, I'm just putting back everything on top of my dresser that was on there before, all my perfumes, all the good little stuff that I had on there before. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't worry, you guys will be seeing more of these types of videos from me this year, Father be willing, okay? Like I said again, guys, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.